Well, the desk has steadily gotten messier over the course of building this thing. But here it is, all ready to go. Added a zip tie there so you get some strain relief on the wires. Everything's tied down. We got our connector here that's going to go to the XP. The last thing to do with this, which should actually probably be the first thing, but anyway, it doesn't matter. These pieces right here need to be notched out with a Dremel or a pair of pliers or a knife or something so that a rubber band can fit on here. Otherwise, there's no way for the rubber band to go and slide off. So you need to notch out all four of these corners, just like that. Oh, and then yeah, attach your bullseye. I already talked about that. The last thing that needs to happen on the Parrot is we've got this power connector right here. It plugs into the USB port that's built into the Parrot. That gives us a way to get power out to the XP. So here's the XP. If you flip the XP upside down, you'll notice that the holes are all these breakout holes are labeled. So with it in this orientation, I've got ground on this side and power on this side. And if you flip it over, you'll see which holes those go into. And then just a couple of rubber bands and a little bit of tape to hold the XP in place. Goes right there. And then to stick the whole thing together, you can see that. Of course, you'd have these plugged in if you were going to fly it, the power connector from the battery. But then this guy just fits right on top and line up the power wires that go out to the XP back here with that hole cut right there. And then these guys, this wire header plugs into the XP, and you put ground next to the ground pin that we already connected, so it'll go in this order. Plug that guy in, and then to attach the thing, you just grab a couple of rubber bands from these 2 points, stretch them around and underneath, and hook them to the points on the other side, and that'll hold everything together. And that does it for the hardware on the Parrot.